How many things have you seen that state that life on Earth is carbon-based? Well, it's true, because carbon composes the skeletons that the molecules that compose our body are made out of. For example, let's say that this represents a carbon atom with 1, 2, 3, 4 covalent bonds. This represents a regular covalent bond. This is a hydrogen atom, and this is an oxygen atom. Now, the oxygen binds to the hydrogen like this, forming a hydroxyl group. That, in itself, is almost as common as carbon is in the human chemistry. This bond will bond the hydroxyl group to the carbon atom, and then this carbon atom goes in. That leaves 2 more covalent bonds. And what do they do? This molecule, C6H12O6, is called glucose. It is the basic component of most sugars, and it is found in glycogen, which composes the muscles in our body, cellulose, which keeps plants stiff, and table sugar. This sort of thing is how chemistry composes the living things on Earth. Because it is carbon-based, and with its 4 covalent bonds, carbon can form wide chains like this. Then oxygen comes in as a part of it, and hydrogen just fills in the gap.